Have you ever wished you could use a mouse and keyboard to play Android games? Or perhaps you just want to play Android games on a bigger screen while you're on your PC. In this video, I will show you the easy way to download Google Play Store app and install games and apps on your PC. Firstly, go to Google and search for MSI App Player. Go to the official website of MSI App Player. The MSI App Player is the result of a partnership between BlueStacks. This emulator works on almost any PC and run our favorites apps or games very smooth and without having lags issue. Download the MSI App Player here, extract the zip file, and install on your PC. Click Install Now and follow the next instruction for completing the installation. Now it takes some time for completing installation. After completing the install, you will find a shortcut icon on desktop to open the software. Run the program, and you'll soon have access to the Play Store where you can choose which Android games you want to play on your PC. Now sign in with your Gmail account on Google Play Store and install your favorite game. MSI is great software that runs Android games and applications on a computer. MSI Play is the best emulator for low-end PC. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.